We're really into it now. Day 5. Let's go. Let's just swing our arms. Come up on the chair just a bit towards the end. Let's rev up the metabolism. We're going to aid weight loss, boost our mobility, increase our energy. More importantly, we're just cultivating this incredible habit of moving our bodies every day. Let's get feeling good today. Let me know exactly when the endorphins start to flow for you. What minute do you really start feeling good? Let's see if we can't push it a little quicker. Very beginning here. Really move. Today really is just about feeling good. That's why we do this. Go the other way just a little bit. Stretch it out. Simple movements. Just to boost our mood, energy levels. Oh, it's all gonna happen today. I do know every time go for a little workout, a little bit of movement, it's because the way it makes me feel. Our bodies start to change too, and that's just a nice bonus. I don't care how you move, just move. I'm not concerned with perfect form. We can get into that at some point. It's just about moving things that make you feel good. Shake it out. And we just keep showing up. The weight's gonna fall off. The mobility's gonna start to come back. Just easy. We come to the edge a little bit. Sit upright. Engage our core. Okay. Always remember, keep breathing. It's gonna say smile. Maybe you're not ready to smile yet. Just keep moving. Really setting the tone for the day. Okay, let's punch and foot out. It's like a power punch here. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. When I come to the edge of your seat, it's definitely going to be more helpful to do this. Let's just go. Really move. Let's see if we can't get those feel-good chemicals flowing. Sit up, yeah. Engage your core. Oh yeah, things are heating up. Okay, shake that out. Let's just twist. Just slow it first. Oh yeah, feel that in your back. Stretch out the spine. Go maybe a little bit more quickly. Oh yeah. Keep your elbows up a bit here. Start to feel it in the shoulders, so we're getting that nice spine engagement, but as well as building some strength in our shoulders. Do as many things as we can in these short little movement sessions. Lower cortisol, eliminate stress and anxiety. Okay. That's mobility time. Yeah. Opposite. How quickly can we go? twist a bit when you come. Now, arm back. Really trying to get full range of motion as we can, using the whole body. Hope. Feeling the good chemicals starting to flow. It was harder to get started today. Day 5 is always tough. I think that's when there's some resistance. This is good. Over the next couple days, I can't promise, but I really feel like this will become automatic. And we'll really, really start to have this consistency in this habit starting to set in where we don't have to think about it so much. It'll become autopilot. Lovely. Let's do, we can, little swimmer action here. Sit upright, chest up. Going for a swim. Maybe a little gratitude just hit me. My grandmother would have turned 100 years old just last month. She taught me how to swim. Man, does it ever make me grateful to have had and to have people who care about my life. That's why we want to move. We want to get as much out of this life as we can. I know when I move, I'm physically active. I'm far more grateful. And just feel better about myself. All those amazing people around me. Ooh. Oh, shake it out. My shoulders. As grateful as I felt, my shoulders are like, well, I don't feel that grateful. Shake it out. Let's take our skipping rope. Moving arms in a little bit different way. We really are revving up the engine today. And we can, little toe tap. Can we get that little coordination action going here? Oh yeah. As quick as you can with the arms. Oh yes. It's not as easy as I thought. Couple more. And shake that out. Let's go. Couple. Double punch. Twist. 3, 4, 5, 6. Double punch. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double punch. And twist. Arms up just a bit. Sit upright. Just really get your arms moving. How much we can do seated here. Amazing. You keep showing up. Celebrate the win. Shake that out. And let's just finish with a little jumping jack action. Because this one really does make me happy. Oh yeah, get going today. I'm definitely feeling better. Pick it up, let's just finish strong. Just a few. It's just, back's feeling nice and warm. Now this feels good. Just, yeah. Join me if you can. Oh, that feels great. Wherever you're at, it can look like this, but. Beautiful. 1 minute. Let's just be here now. Sit upright, feet flat, head up. Close your eyes if you like, and just bring all your attention the sensations of your body. Really absorb what you've done. It's less than 10 minutes and look what we've accomplished. Celebrate the victory. You keep showing up. Amazing. It's all happening. Notice the beating of your heart. Tingling sensations running through your body. Conscious breath. Just be all your energy, all your attention just right here now. Open your eyes. Couple more days and this really is going to become an automatic habit. This morning movement, just getting used to moving, sets us up for the whole day. Well done. Thank you. Comment. Job done. Inspire others. Stay accountable. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.